Hey guys, it's Ashley from Not a Tree Reviews, and today I'm unboxing the Sky Organics Bubble Box. This is a monthly subscription box from Sky Organics, who creates cruelty-free, vegan, all-natural bath and body products. They have a monthly bath bomb slash shower steamer slash bubble bar subscription. That's $16.95. They're themed each month. As you can see, this one is for March. It has little shamrocks. It says, "May the luck of the Irish be with you." I do have all the scents. They're in an email though. They don't put a card in, which I think is neat. It like less waste. Which is the eco thing to do. I will make a full review. I'll link to that below with all the information about each of these. I'll also link to Sky Organics below if you're interested in that. The box smells like cedar. It smells like cedar and it's so earthy smelling. It's wonderful. And everything is green. How cute. I love it. All right, so first is a little bath bomb. This smells like it's going to have like a lime scent. That smells really good. Then there is a bubble bar, and this is in, I don't know. Sometimes because some of the scents all start mingling, you don't know until you unwrap it which one you're smelling. I think this might be part cedar. I don't know. I think the cedar though. Okay, this is like a clovery smell, like a, I don't know, like an outside earthy smell. I'm not sure. So this is a shower steamer. So you put this in your shower and you let the water like kind of make it evaporate. Almost like a bath bomb, but not as, it takes a little longer. It smells good though. I like that one. I like this. No, my cat's in here. Don't do that. There's a cup of water over there. She's trying to knock it off. Don't do that. Tell her not to do that. Swifty, please don't do that to us. All right. And then finally, there's this adorable little heart bath bomb. This is the one I'm smelling. I think it's a combo between these two. That's what winds up happening, like two come together. Yeah, like this one has a cedary smell, and this one has a floral smell, and it's really, really pretty. I like this. I can't wait to use this one. These flower bombs are super cute. The kids really like these. I gave the one with flower petals from last month to Isabel, and she really enjoyed it. So I can't wait to use them. If you're interested in the full review, check that out below. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. And if you're interested in checking out the Sky Organics Bubble Box, check that out below. These are really inexpensive boxes, $16.95 if you subscribe. And you can, if you just want one box, I think it's like $19 or something like that, get a one-off box. That's a really cool option. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you next time.